Subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Okay, so today I made a cube platformer, and let's run it right now. And while I do the talking, you can see me playing it. So I made this in 150-ish lines of code, essentially, you just build in it, and you jump on the blocks and stuff like that. It was fun, and I have to say it feels a little bit complicated, and I think it could have been simpler, but I'm definitely satisfied with the results so far. And this is a part of me recreating Geometry Dash basically, but this time I actually made a platformer instead. I might make a running version of this, but it's hard to build and run at the same time, so I don't know. And I don't want to recreate Geometry Dash, that's just not the goal. So yeah, and this is good practice if you're starting to build a platformer, learning movements, placing new objects and stuff like that, which is all actually pretty complicated in RAYLIB. So let's see. I have to include 3 libraries, and so there's a cube X and cube Y, which is like the gridded block. The cube is the gridded block, and there's a velocity Y, so how fast it goes up, and then gravity, and there's a boolean for if it's grounded or not. Then there's a cooldown, and there's a last use time as well. Declaring the window, setting the target FPS, and then I made vectors to store the positions of the blocks that you place, and loading in the images. Then double current time equals get time. Then the cube movement, current time, last use time, cool duration, and is grounded. If all of these are working, then does the following code: velocity equals -10.0f, because of the coordinate system. The more positive you make it, the more it goes down, so it has to be negative to go up. I know it doesn't make sense. And then is grounded equals false, and last use time equals current time. And then we have this, the placing the blocks here, the cube rectangle, and then again the variable. The boolean is set to false. Then we simply have the code here for going up, I believe. Yes. And yeah. Then here we have another one, placing the blocks, I believe that is. And then a bunch of code here which I just don't want to explain because it's too complicated and the short is gonna be too long. And yeah, that's it. And I might explain this more in another short. Okay, bye.